Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. So I am here with a new episode, and our today's episode is about a DIY idea. And today I will show you how you can give your empty ketchup bottle a beautiful makeover and use it as a home decor item. So let's start. At first I'm applying white acrylic color on the bottle with the help of sponge. You may use brush also, but if you are using color on the glass, then sponge is more useful than brush. I'm drawing the outline with orange color, but you can use any light color. Actually, the purpose of using light color is that if you want to make some changes, you can easily hide the previous line with dark color. I'm trying to create kalamkari motif. We like to wear kalamkari print in dress, right? Then why not a kalamkari bottle to decorate home? At first I'm applying lemon yellow color. I'm drawing some broad outlines with light green and orange. And finally I painted the outline with black.